The Vivo X200 Ultra has officially hit the market, and it's making waves, especially with its incredibly advanced camera system. At the heart of the setup is a massive 1-inch main sensor, co-engineered with Zeiss, a partnership that has become a hallmark of Vivo's flagship photography experience. This sensor is designed to capture more light and detail than ever before, resulting in stunning image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or in near darkness, the main camera delivers sharp, vibrant, and true-to-life photos. Backing the primary camera is a powerful periscope telephoto lens that supports up to 100x digital zoom and maintains impressive clarity even at high zoom levels. This makes it ideal for wildlife photography, sporting events, or any situation where getting physically close to the subject isn't possible. There's also a high-quality ultra-wide lens that expands the creative possibilities, perfect for landscapes, architecture, or group shots without distortion at the edges. Rounding out the quad camera array is a specialized portrait sensor, likely leveraging depth sensing or macro capabilities, which helps deliver professional-looking bokeh effects and extreme close-up detail with rich color accuracy. On the software side, Vivo has packed the X200 Ultra with next-gen computational photography tools. Features like real-time AI scene detection, advanced night mode, and Zeiss Natural Color 2.0 ensure that your images look polished straight out of the camera. The phone also supports 8K video recording with cinematic stabilization and offers multiple professional-grade tools like manual controls, LUT filters, and Dolby Vision video support. Altogether, the Vivo X200 Ultra isn't just competing, it's redefining what we expect from a smartphone camera in 2025. It's a compelling choice for photography enthusiasts, content creators, and anyone who wants a premium mobile photography experience without compromises.